To request payments using Zelle transaction history, start by opening your mobile banking app or visiting your bank's website. Navigate to the Zelle section and sign in to your account if prompted. Review your transaction history to find the specific payment you want to request. Identify the recipient's name, the amount, and the date of the transaction. This information will be used to initiate the request. Click on the transaction to view more details, and then select the option to request payment. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number associated with their Zelle account. You can also add a brief message to explain the reason for the request. Review the request details carefully, including the amount and recipient information. To ensure accuracy, confirm the request and Zelle will send a notification to the recipient. The recipient will then have the option to approve or decline the request. If approved, the funds will be transferred directly into your bank account. Best practices include keeping your transaction history up to date and regularly reviewing your account activity. This helps ensure that your requests are accurate and legitimate. It is also essential to only request payments from trusted recipients and to verify the recipient's information before initiating a request. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Zelle transaction history to request payments and manage your finances efficiently.